Starting a brand new video. I haven't made one in a long time. This one's called Pigmas. Our old house was on a corner, and in the houses were, of a backyard had a side yard with a small deck that wrapped around the back. The dining room had potato doors, patio doors that led out of the back, and we would have barbecues and such back there. When I was about 14, we only had one desktop computer and one laptop for the family. My brother and I would fight over the desktop. That's where Diablo 2 was installed, so I would use the laptop to write music. On one particular night, my brother had a friend over and they were downstairs doing whatever. And I was at the dining room table on the laptop as I was wrapped up in my writing. I didn't pay much attention to the surroundings. I heard a knock on the patio door, which startled me. I looked up, expecting my brother or his friend. The basement had a door that led to the back deck as well. Standing at the door and waving was a person. Could not tell sex or age. Male or female, is what they're trying to say. Wearing a Halloween pig mask. Thinking it was my brother or his friend, I mouthed, "Good one." and gave the person the finger, and they walked away. As soon as they left, I went downstairs to give them shit, and to my surprise and dismay, they were both sitting on the couch playing PlayStation. They swore up and down it wasn't either of them, and there was no way one of them would have had time to get downstairs and unmask before getting on the couch. To this day, I have no idea who it was who knocked and waved.